Kia ora. IT training, University of Otago, talking about categorising references in bibliographies using Endnote X8 for the Macintosh in Word 2016. When you have references in a Word document, you can categorise them into separate sections in the bibliography. You can configure the categories, adding your own categories if necessary, and then of the references you have used in the document, adding those references to particular categories. One reference can only be in one category, but when I click OK, my bibliography separates out into sections. If I take the tick out of group into categories, I remove it, but I can add it back in again.